He does that every time.
What does he do?
He lays on the floor, snoring asleep.
Who does that?
Pascal, without a mat.
Without a mat?
Yeah.
He just lays on the ground and falls?
Yeah, because every day his mother forgets his bed sheet and all his bed things.
And he just lays down on the floor and falls and he snores? You said
Yes.
Everybody thinks he's funny?
Uh-huh.
Everybody sits around and laughs?
He snores like this.
Is that what he does?
Uh-huh.
That's funny.
I know. Really funny, actually.
What else happened at school today?
I had surprise for you.
What's that?
Okay, it's a surprise.
So when are you going to tell me? How's that pizza?
Awesome.
It's awesome.
I still can feel the pepperoni.
You still taste the pepperoni? You ate all your pepperoni.
I know, but I still can taste it. I'm okay. And guess what Michael did? Guess when Michael got in, that is his dog's. His dog's soccer ball. Whose soccer ball begin with C?
Nope.
S?
Right.
And his dog licks it, he pees on it, he bites it, and then he bit it. Michael bit it. Michael put it in his mouth. And he got all of those out, and he got all of his dog's yucky things in his mouth. Gross, right?